So guys, this is our prediction for the day on our CAD JPY. So let's see what CAD JPY may actually be giving us for the day. But before I go ahead to predict what markets will be doing for the day, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what CADJPY is actually going to be doing for us for the day. So let's start with this trend right here on our CADJPY. It is very clear that CADJPY overall trend on CADJPY is an uptrend move. This is our overall trend right here. That is the overall movement. So basically, if you are a long-term trader, be it you are a swing trader, and you would like to hold your position for a couple of weeks, for maybe 2-3 weeks, you are definitely going to grab a lot of profit and a lot of pips if you can go for the buy and hold your buy position. But right now, market is not doing that. Market is just dropping. So let's see market drop fully till it is able to come to tap this our support level. So this is what we'll be expecting. A sell that will drop will make market to drop to tap this our support level. That is exactly what we should be expecting on our CADJPY. So expect CADJPY to drop further till it is able to tap our support level. Once it does that, then you cannot expect market to push up again to form a new high. So guys, whatever you do to be doing on your CADJPY, anticipate for that sell that will drop to tap our support level. That is what you should be expecting. Now let's go down to our 1 hour time frame. Guess what market is doing? Market is definitely giving us that movement. It is dropping. It is giving us a series of lower low and a lower high. Now take a look at this movement right here, guys. This is our low. Here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. This is the lower high, right? The market was able to drop again to form a new lower low. You can see the market has dropped to form a new lower low. Guess what market is doing right here? Market is now giving us a lower high. After this lower high, guess what market should do next? Market should drop to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So this is to tell you that a bearish move is what you should be expecting for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.